remain faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless. We're never gonna see a bull run again. We're never gonna see alts go up. We're never gonna see BTC go up because of the macro environment, guys. Look at the macro. We're gonna see a recession. We're gonna see a Great Depression. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. You know the deal. I'm vlogging again on the island resort. Yeah, man, the markets are up, man. Let's talk Xen, GameSwift, the portfolio. Let's talk Bitcoin. Let's talk market cycles, market flow. Yeah, man. The market's going up crazy, as expected. And yeah, I told you in the last video. I mean, there's no reason not to be bullish right now. I mean, look at what's going on, bro. You got we got a green monthly candle close in October. I told you right there, bullish sign. We're breaking through, smashing through crazy resistances. Think about 30K, 32K, crazy resistances that we smashed through. We got Tether printing right now. If you haven't been following that, that's a bullish sign. Whenever Tether's printing, that means bull run starting. BTC volume is at a 6-month high. I mentioned that in the last video. And we got ETF news, bro. Like ETF is like a Bitcoin ETF is like pretty much, I won't say it's guaranteed, but it's like more likely than ever to happen very soon. I believe it's like a 2-week window right now where the SEC has a chance to kind of accept the ETF, and I don't see why they wouldn't right now. Seeing that, you know, the government is backing it, the government won it. Everybody wants to, except for Gary Gensler, which is the head of the he's head of the SEC. So it looks like we're probably gonna get an ETF, right? Even if we don't get it this time, it might come towards the end of or the beginning of 2024, which is fine because we got the halving coming at the beginning of 2024, right? We got the halving coming at April 2024. We got a lot of good news coming in for BTC. It's all about the narrative. What's the narrative going into the next cycle? We've got this ETF news that everybody's waiting for. We've got the halving, which is everybody's waiting for. You need these things that people are waiting for, right? It's good that we're still waiting for these things because price goes up based off of speculation. All right, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'm dropping gems. Let's talk Xen. Did you guys see Xen, bro? It's up 64% in the last 24 hours. Like I said before, if you're in any coin that hasn't been going up, I mean, I don't know what to say. Like, like the market's been going up, your coin should go up too, man. You don't want to be in any stragglers. I mean, it's okay if you're in like one or two. You know what I'm saying? For example, like memes. You know what I'm saying? Osaka, one of the memes that I've called on this channel, hasn't been going up, but I expect that meme season will come, and they, you know, certain coins go up during their season, right? It's not meme season right now, but everything else has been going up. Look at my Xen, boo, 60-something% in one day. That's what you want to see. So let's talk Xen for a little bit. Like I said, Xen goes up for 2 reasons. Number one, Ethereum gas prices. So your GUI, all right, when Xen is intimately connected to the gas price, point blank, period. You got to know that, okay? Gas goes up, people stop minting. So what happened was yesterday we saw GUI, or GUI, whatever you want to call it, Ethereum gas prices go up to 100 and I don't know, 150, 140. It was over 100, right? Which is a crazy high. All right, those are bull market type of gas prices. Okay, if people were saying, I heard people say, oh, well, you know, Ethereum 2.0 is fixing gas prices, so we're not going to see high gas prices anymore. Bruh, wrong. You're wrong. No way to fix the gas prices, bro. You can't fix it. Okay, you can't scale. Like, every time you scale, this is the problem with scaling. You have to understand, every time you scale, people just meet the demand by making more products, more coins, more projects, and it just kills your scaling. You've scaled up, but now we have 1,000 more projects, 1,000 more coins. So the scaling didn't matter. You understand? You have to understand the difference between vertical scaling and horizontal scaling, right? Horizontal scaling, where I'll make a video about that next time. Anyway, the point is, Ethereum gas is still going up. Doesn't matter if there's ETH 2.0 or whatever. Ethereum gas is still going up. Yesterday, because of the euphoria in the markets are going up. Everything's going up. Yeah, Ethereum gas went up as well. It was at over 100. Do you think anybody minted Xen during the time when Ethereum gas prices were above 100 Gwei? You must be out your mind if you think anybody was minting Xen at that time. They were not. Okay, and then coincidence, Xen price goes up 60% in the last 24 hours. It just so happens to be during the day the gas prices are extremely high. See, you have to understand, if you're gonna get into Xen, you got to understand, how does the price of Xen go up? Xen is a different type of coin. It's disinflationary over an 8-year period, which means it inflates. So if it inflates, you gotta understand, how is the price gonna go up? I've talked about this in previous videos. It goes up in 2 different ways. It goes up when the gas prices go up, because people don't want to mint anymore, so they just buy it off of the market. And then there's also a time and demand aspect. So during a time when Xen projects are coming out, people want to rush to get those Xen so they can burn their Xen for that new project. And like I said, that's probably going to come out after the halving in the bull run, like in the euphoric times, right? So that demand aspect is going to be there, because you don't want a long-term mint if you're trying to hurry up and get into a project, and you got to burn Xen, so you have to buy it off the market so you can burn it to get into a project, okay, to get into a new project, right? That's the second way Xen goes up. And I told you, I don't really expect projects like Xen-based projects to really come out until the bull run, okay? So the second way Xen price goes up, I don't really expect that to happen until after the halving. I think developers and are going to hold off their projects until then, and then we're going to see a surge of Xen projects. X1 from Jack, the layer 1 blockchain. There's going to be a lot of burning of Xen for that as well, but they're going to have to buy it off the market. That's the key. They're going to have to buy it off of the market. Okay. Let's backtrack. Right now, what's happening? Right now, we got Gwei prices going up, Ethereum gas prices going up, but you shouldn't expect it to be consistently high, not just yet, right? We're not in euphoric times. We're not in the crazy, high part of the bull market. So don't expect, like, we're gonna have one-off days where Ethereum gas prices are really high, like it was yesterday, but it's not gonna be every single day, right? But there's gonna come a time when every single day we have really, really, really high Ethereum gas prices, okay? And there's gonna be months upon months when nobody mints any Xen, because the gas prices are way too high. And you're going to see the price of Xen shoot up crazy during those months. Okay, that's what we're waiting for. If you want to capitalize in crypto, you got to be willing to wait for one specific moment and then capitalize. You're not going to have that much time to sell when the time comes. But like I preach on the channel all the time, like, comment, subscribe. You got to sell. You buy during the bear, you sell during the bull. Don't forget to sell, guys. It's the only way you make money in crypto. Okay. Yeah, so what else? We got GSWIFT, GameSwift, one of my other calls on the channel. Gaming crypto. Bro, I brought it to you at 7 cents. You know what the price is today? 14 cents. It doubled. Bro, I'm not playing when I give you these picks, bro. I'm literally not playing when I give you these picks. I told you, gaming market. The gaming market is crazy. It's a crazy narrative, and that's all you need right now, a narrative. What does GSWIFT do? It does a lot. It's a gaming studio. They make their own games. It's backed by Solana. It's got heavy backers. It's got this, it's got that. But none of that actually really matters. It's the fact that you just need to have a narrative. And the narrative is what? The narrative is it's a gaming crypto. And that's it. All the gaming coins are going to go up. It's simple as that. All you want to do is find a low market cap gaming coin that's new to the game. It's a new cycle coin. our first cycle coin. Didn't exist in the last bull market, and it's in the hot narrative, which is gaming. All right, cool. You're set. That's how crypto works. Like people think I gotta find the right coin. I gotta find no. You just got to find a couple coins in a hot category. All right, first cycle, not an old coin, and you're set. That's it. All right. So I bought it to you at 7 cents, and it's about 14 cents now. Double, double. Come on, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I'm really like dropping gems on this channel. Osaka's gonna blow too. I'm pretty sure of it, but who knows? It's a meme coin, so obviously that's throwaway money. But it'll go during meme season. It's not meme season yet. But I also want to talk about the market cycle flow. How does the money flow within the cycle? One thing you gotta understand, bro. Everything starts off with BTC. All right, BTC flies. After BTC flies, people take profits and they go to the bigger altcoins. Right now, what you're seeing is all of the bigger altcoins are starting to run. You look at ETH, chart looks amazing, ready to go. You look at Solana, been looking good. You look at Chainlink, been looking good. It's been looking good. Like you have to understand, all of the major market cap coins, altcoins, I'm saying, are gonna blow next, and then people make profits from the bigger market cap coins, and they go to the mid market cap coins. All those coins in the middle of the table. You go to Coin Market Cap, or you go to CoinGecko, or whatever coin ranking site you go to, right? You look at from 50 to 100, rank 50 all the way to 100. Those are the mid caps, right? Those are gonna go after the top 10, the top 20, right? People take their profits out of the top 20 coins and they put it in the lower coins, 50 to 100, or the mid cap coins. After they make profits there, they shift it and they go to the lower cap coins. Start looking for coins on the second page of Coin Market Cap and CoinGecko. On the third page, the fourth page, start getting to those low market cap coins. You start getting to those micro caps, okay? And that's when it all ends, okay? You make crazy 1000 X's on the small coins, and that's when everything ends, all right? But you have to understand the cycle of how the money flows within crypto, okay? It starts off with BTC. You see BTC make a run up, people take profits, then it goes into the higher market cap altcoins. People make money, they take their profits, they move it into the mid caps, they make their money, they take their profits, they put it into the low and micro cap cryptos, and they make their hundreds and thousands of X's, and they go bull run over, okay? That's like a macro level analysis of how the money flows within crypto. It also happens on a minor level as well, okay, on a micro level. Okay, you'll see many versions of this throughout the bull cycle. So after the halving, you'll see many versions of BTC running, people taking profits, going to higher caps, taking profits, going to the mid caps, taking profits, going to the low caps, taking profits, and then putting it back into Bitcoin, starting over. You'll see many versions of that. You'll see many versions of that throughout the cycle until it's all over. Okay, it's usually going to be all over a year and a half after the halving. All right, just giving you a time frame. It's not perfect. It's not going to be exactly the same every single time, but more or less a year after the halving, a year and a half after the halving is all wrapped up. It's all over, right? You want to keep that in mind. Okay, you want to keep that in mind. You also want to keep in mind, so you want to keep in mind time frame, how the money flows within the market. You want to keep in mind time frame, and you also want to keep in mind price targets. Like you have to understand, what's the Bitcoin top? I actually should make another video about this, but I'll give you a quick rundown. Every single cycle, the all-time high of Bitcoin, or the multiples that Bitcoin makes within a cycle, always goes down from bull run to bull run. Okay, it's called diminishing returns. All right, if you learn one thing from this video, learn this. Also, like, comment, subscribe if you're still watching, guys. If you haven't liked the video, if you haven't subscribed to the video, Come on, guys, what are you doing? So what happens is it's called diminishing returns. Okay, you're gonna get less returns from your coin. Specifically, we're talking about BTC right now. Every cycle, BTC makes less returns. Okay, if you look at the last, look at 2017 bull market, BTC topped out at 20K. And then if you look at the last bull market, BTC's topped out at 69K, I believe. What's that, a 3x, right? It's not that much. It's a 3x. And the bull run before that, 2013 to 2017, it went down. 2017 to 2021, it went down. It's diminishing returns. You're not going to get that many X's or gains out of BTC from cycle to cycle. So if it only went up 3x from the all-time high in the last bull run, then what do you think about this bull run, right? From 69K, it'll probably just do a double, right? It'll probably just do a double. So what's that? 140K. All right, so like the top of BTC in the next market is probably somewhere over 100K, and that's it. Pretty much, it might actually be 100K, right? So you have to actually have good expectations in order to understand the market, and in order to know when to sell. All right, and the main thing is selling. All right. So all of these people speaking about, oh, we're going to see a 300K BTC, Bitcoin's going to top out at 500K. I've heard 800K. You know what I'm saying? And that's cool. That's cool. Actually, that's actually a good thing. Like let channels talk about that. We need people hyping people up. Unfortunately, but not on this channel. That's not what I'm going to be doing on my channel. I don't want my followers following into, hyperbole, following into false claims of really high BTC prices. We would love to see it go there, but realistically speaking, if you look at the charts and look at history, BTC is in diminishing returns. So it's great that other people are talking like that because it'll push the price high. Just keeping it real. This channel is all about keeping it real. But we don't actually want to speak like that on this channel. I want to keep my followers, my subscribers level-headed, and I want everyone to sell during the bull market. I do not want to see anybody holding bags after the bull run, except for your long-term holds, and we'll speak about that in another video. Anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe. It's Crypto Faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless. Let's go.